What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I want to talk about 3 ways that you can use to make $10,000 or more per month anonymously on the internet. And these are methods that don't require you to show your face or use your voice online. Now that is always an option because you can definitely do like YouTube and show your face or use your voice like what I'm doing right now. And you can make money that way. You can definitely make $10,000 per month and a whole lot more. But if you don't want to show your face and you also don't want to use your voice, you can still make money online, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Now, just before we get into all the details, if you are new here on the channel, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, my name is Eann. On this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to invest money. I talk about everything personal finance related. So if you like these videos and you like these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That way you never miss the updates of when I post new videos on this channel. If you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. I'll leave the link down below. But with that said, let's dive right into this video. So this is the Google AdSense calculator. I could probably leave the link down below for this as well. But this gives you an idea of how much money you can make depending on how much traffic you're getting. So the first method of making money online that doesn't require you to show your face or to use your voice would be to partner or be a Google AdSense partner and earn money from ad revenue. Now, the easiest way, or one of the most popular ways to do this, is by creating your own blog. Now, you will be paid based on the amount of views you get on that blog, and this could fluctuate, but on average, this is what you'd be making. So if you wanted to make $10,000 per month or just over $120,000, you'd have to be making upwards of, or you'd have to be getting upwards of 300,000 monthly page views, which sounds like a lot, but it's actually not a lot, because if you look at your favorite YouTubers' YouTube videos, you'll see that they get hundreds of thousands of views, and this is why they're able to generate all this money. So you can come here and you can kind of see like how much money you would make depending. I mean, the slide goes down to around $50,000 or 50,000 page views rather, which would work out to be on average just below $20,000. So creating a blog can make you some money. Now, one way to create a blog is to use like a blog building platform like Wix, for example. And the good thing about this is that not only do they have like a drag and drop platform where you can just drag and drop and kind of create your blog easily, but they also have a ton of free guides. So on Wix, they have a how to make money blogging complete free guide. It's only an 18-minute read, and this kind of walks you through what you can do and how you can monetize your blog. So that's really good. They're free resources that you can use to help you start your blog. Also, if you do like Shopify, Shopify has a free guide for making a blog or how to make money from your blog as well. So that's also good. And they give some examples here of blogs that are making money. For example, as you can see, these blogs here are making like $4,000, $15,000 per month. And these I think are being sold on a marketplace like Flippa. And we'll look at that in just a bit from now. But basically, this is like a full guide. It's free, you don't have to pay for it. So if you're looking for a way to make money online just about anywhere in the world, and you don't want to show your face, you don't want to use your voice, creating a blog is something that you should definitely look into, and there are free guides here to help you along the way. So this is definitely something that you want to try out. Now, apart from creating the blog, I mean, you could go here, you could create the blog, you can use Shopify. You could actually go and you could purchase a blog that's already making money. So you could go to a web marketplace like Flippa, for example, and here's some blogs. This one is monetized from affiliate sales. This is making $16,000 per month. This one also affiliate sales, making just over $2,000 per month. This one is monetized with ads. So this one is making around $2,000 per month as well. This one is also ads, making around $5,000 per month. Now, what you will see here is that this one is only $1,800 per month. You'll realize that ads can make you money, but the blogs that are making a ton of money, like, you know, $30,000 per month, are up into the 5 figures, going into 6 figures, are always going to be, or more likely to be, from affiliate sales. But either way, you can still use Google Ads and you can still make money from blog. And of course, if you don't want to create yourself and you have, you know, $28,000, you can go and purchase this blog right here that's currently making $800 per month in profit. And probably you could improve this blog and you could scale this up to, you know, thousands per month instead of hundreds. So this is another option. You can just go out there and purchase a blog if you have the money to invest. Now, the next thing that you can do is vlog, right? Vlog with a V. So vlogging, a lot of YouTubers vlog, they make a ton of cash. They're always, you know, driving Lambos, taking vacations, but they're showing their faces and they're using their voices. Now, there are other videos that you can do. For example, here's a YouTube channel right here that I came across. This one is Street Lizards. So this person seems to go around and they just randomly record the street and things, and I guess people as well. So they go and they just randomly record things. And if we go over, so it's Street Lizards and it's news from the streets of Phoenix, Arizona. So I guess this person just goes around Phoenix, Arizona, and they just record the streets, right? So that is something that you could do. Some vloggers have like a dash cam mounted in their car, a 4K dash cam, and they simply just drive around and they record everything, and there's no editing, there's no voiceover. They simply just upload the raw video to YouTube with the ambient sounds of the street, and people watch that stuff, right? So for example, this channel, Street Lizards, and I pulled this up before, so they are getting on average, so let's look at the views, right? So on average, they're getting, or probably a more accurate number would be this one here. So on average, they're making around, or they're getting around 1.6 million views per month, right? And you can see here, it fluctuates per day. I mean, they're getting like 40,000, 20,000, 50,000, 80,000. At the time of recording this video, on this particular day, they had over 600,000 views. So that's great, but that's the views that they're getting. Now you could go back to the Google Ads calculator and work that out, see how much that would be. But according to Social Blade, this person is making anywhere from $400 to $6,000 per month. This is really inaccurate. I can tell you that it's gonna be the higher number, not the lower number. And also multiply this by 3 to 5 to actually get a realistic idea of how much this person is making. Social Blade tends to be way off in terms of the estimated monthly earnings for YouTube channels. And I've seen this with other YouTubers as well. So if this says $6,000 per month, the realistic amount that I would think that this person is making is going to be at least 3 to 5 times this amount. That would put them at around $18,000 or right around $20,000 per month. And yes, there are people that are literally recording ASMR videos or, you know, just vlogging random things, and they're making upwards of $20,000 to $30,000 per month. So this is something else that you could look in. And also, if you go back to that Google calculator, that Google ad calculator, if you punch in 1.5, so actually let's try that right now. So if we punch in 1.5 million views, that's like right around here. That is estimated to make $500,000 per year. So like I said before, Social Blade is way off. This person is definitely not making $6,000 per month. They're making more like $20,000 or $20,000+ per month. If I were to guess, that's what I would assume, anywhere from 3 to 5 times that amount. So 3 really simple, really easy ways that people are already using. I mean, you can simply just copy the strategy here. If you're in a different city, you could just simply create a channel called Street Lizards of whatever city you're in, and just go around and randomly record things, places, people, and you could be like this channel, making money from recording random things in public, right? And again, if you have the money up front to invest, you can always go on a web marketplace like Flippa and you can purchase a already cash generating website, and you can just, keep it, generate cash. It'll pay for itself after a while, or you can improve it and try to make more money. And of course, there are free guides here that you can use to start your own blog and to help you monetize your own blog. And all of these are things that you can do relatively cheap. I mean, to start a blog, it's probably gonna cost you $50, if that much, because the only thing you're paying for is your domain name and hosting, and that doesn't have to be expensive. I mean, it could be as low as like $5, $6 per month. So you could actually test this out and it wouldn't cost you anything. If you compare it to other types of businesses where you got to put some investment up front, or you got to have some sort of loan, doing online businesses is much easier. You're not risking a whole lot. So, I mean, there's really no reason not to try any of this stuff, especially since people are doing it and they seem to be having a lot of success with this. So comment down below, let me know if you've ever tried doing a blog before, or purchasing a revenue generating blog. If you've ever tried doing YouTube vlogging, what the experience was like, were you able to make any money? Comment down below, let me know. But with that said, all the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next one.